Hello and welcome to our video on solving linear equations. I've got 3 examples here for you. Before we go on, I'd like you to have a go at solving these yourself. A lot of this should be revision. These are fairly tricky ones, but I'd like you to have a go at it before we go on and have a look at it together. Pause the video now. Okay, hopefully you've had a look and an attempt at the solutions. When we're looking at solving this one, generally you need to remember to use inverse operations and undo the equation that you've got. So the last thing that we do in this side of the equation is times by the 3. So we can get rid of that first because our aim is to get x by itself, if you remember. So times by 3. The opposite is to divide by 3, both sides. And we're left here with 4x on 5 take 2 equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. We can now take the 2 to the other side. 6 plus 2 is 8. Multiply by the 5. And x equals 10. There's our solution. For the second example, we've got 2 algebraic fractions on each side. When it's 2 whole fractions like this, you can just get rid of the denominators. If you think about what you would do if you imagine for a minute that we didn't have a denominator here and we just had the fraction on this side, you would easily get rid of this divided by 3 by multiplying by 3 over the other side. And same with if you only had this side, you can get rid of the 4 by multiplying by 3 over the other side. So we're going to do a two-way swap over and multiplication. So the 3 will multiply by everything up here. And the 4 will multiply by everything over here. You may have done this in a slightly different way, which is fine as long as you got to this line eventually. We now need to expand the brackets. 3 times 5x is 15x minus 3 equals 8x plus 4. When we've got these, take the highest coefficient of x. So we've got 15x and 8x. So we take 15x, take away 8x, and we get 7x. Plus 3 to both sides. X equals 1. Fairly simple solution for a complex looking original question. Part C looks a lot like this problem, but we've got the extra plus 5 on the end. So we can't just multiply this over here straight away and multiply this over here straight away. There's a few different ways you could do this. My suggestion is to change this plus 5 into 25 on 5, which is 5. And then these have both got the same denominator, so we can just add the 25 into the top of the fraction there, and we end up with 17 minus x over 2 on this side, 49 plus 25, which is 74, plus 2x all over 5. Now we've got this situation, so we can multiply the 5, cross multiply over here. 17 minus x, oh, it's not over anything, don't need the fraction line, 2, 74 plus 2x, expand this out, 5 times 17 is 85 minus 5x, 2 times 74 is 148 plus 4x. The highest value here is 4, the highest coefficient of x. 4 plus 5 is 9x. And 85 here. 85 minus 148, negative 63 equals 9x. X equals 7. And there's your 3 solutions. Thanks for watching the video.